Once again, a pleasant Easter morning to everyone.
Good morning, Father.
Salamat sa Diyos sa pagpapatapos natin ng Pasko ng muling pagkabuhay, itong season na to, the longest season we have of 50 days. We thank God for His constant reminder of His love for us. No? Ganyong katindi yung pagmamahal niya sa atin. And today, He gives si Peter the opportunity to restore, to redeem himself. Alam naman natin, 3 beses itinakwil ni Pedro si Jesus. Nung habang nasa apoy, nung nagpapainit ng kamay, 3 beses na itinaktwa si Jesus. At ngayon, 3 beses niya si Jesus binigyan ng pagkakataon para makabawi. No? Para itanong kung paano, kung mahal mo ba talaga ako. 3 ulit, no? Parang na medyo nairita si Pedro nung tinatanong siya, no? 3 beses, mahal mo ba ako? Mahal mo ba ako? Mahal mo ba ako? No? But it is a chance for Peter to be redeemed. No? Ganyan kabait ang Diyos sa atin. Lahat ng tsansa binibigay sa atin para tayo'y magbalik sa Kanya. Hindi lang second, third, unlimited number of chances dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa atin. It is a restoring love. It restores us. It restores our dignity. It redeems us. Ganyong katindi ang pagmamahal sa atin. At nung sinagot ni Pedro, you know, Lord, how much I love you. No? 3 beses siya, sinagot siya at pinakita. At ang sagot ni Jesus, no, feed my lambs. No? Take care of my sheep. No? Ang pagmamahal, madali magsabi ng I love you napakadali mag-I love you. Pero ang tunay na I love you, may salatang, may kasamang gawa. Always with loving service. Service, loving service, konkretong mga actions ng pagmamahal. No? It goes beyond. That is why it is not cheap. No? I love you can be very cheap, but this is the true act of love. At ang hamon na ito, yung last paragraph, sabi niya, dahil sa ganitong uring pagmamahal, hindi natin alam kung paano tayo dadalhin ng commitment ng pagmamahal na ito. No? When you say, I love you, it will lead you to where you do not want to go. Kaya nga yung last line of the gospel, when you're young, no? You dress up yourself and you will go wherever you want to go. But when you're old, people will dress you, may magbibihis sa iyo, at dadalhin ka sa mga lugar na hindi mo gusto. That is what the true love is. It will bring you to places you do not want to go. Pag sinabi mong mahal, talagang hanggang sa krus. Ayaw mo ang krus, ayaw mo ang paghihirap. Pero ang tunay na pagmamahal, dadalhin ka kahit nasaan hindi mo gusto. To signify what kind of death He will have, Jesus will have, to signify the kind of death we will all have. We will be brought, because of this love, we will be brought to places we do not want to be. It is beyond us. It is because of the mission. It will consume us. Yun ang gagabay sa atin kung saan tayo pupunta. Hindi madali, nakakatakot as a matter of fact. But it does not matter. If you are in love, it does not matter. It will bring us to where we do not want to go. Kaya nga, nung panahon na ni Pedro, no, nung siya'y completely nagbalik loob sa Panginoon at siya'y malapit na mamatay, no, sumunod siya kay Jesus. At hindi lang nga sabi nung siya'y ilalagay sa krus, sabi niya, hindi ako karapat-rapat mamatay katulad ng aking Panginoon. Kaya sabi niya, gusto niya pabaliktad. He was hung on the cross upside down. Kasi hindi karapat-rapat. No? It is beyond us. It is beyond us. It is unimaginable, but it is only possible for somebody who is truly in love. Nothing that will benefit me, only for the sake of the beloved completely. We pray that this kind of love happens to us. It will consume us. It is very painful, but it does not make a difference because of love. Ibang klase. And our good Lord is teaching us how to do that. Little by little, it goes beyond us. Little by little, that is what true love is all about. Salamat sa Diyos.